Hey guys, what's up? So today we're doing this thing where when you hover over this, it'll change a different color, which will be pretty cool. And right now, people don't really know if they're hovering over it and if the link will actually work. So we have our normal A tag right here, just a div just in case. And then we came over here and we have our color and texture decoration none, a few videos ago. Padding and border radius, and so it's a pretty normal A tag. But how do you do this? That's what you came here for. So all you have to do, usually when you are going to something, or like when you're trying to call something, it would be a lot easier if you just put A tag, because then it won't get mixed up with the other A's, which we should probably do here for this too. A tag, because this is a div that's over it, so then it connects down to here, and then instead of reaching all the A tags, so we write the same thing, so A tag and A, as we do it up here, except we write a semicolon or whatever. No, that's, I don't know. And then you write hover, and then you just put like your color, so you could do color white, and then background color, you can do black, and then when you hover over it, it changes. That's about it. There's other ways that you could do this that would like stop it, and then it would like not start for like 2 seconds after you hover it, and then it would take like 5 seconds. Oh, that's another thing I was gonna do. Sorry. Transition. You could do like 5 seconds if you want, and then it'll change in 5 seconds. Or you could do that even shorter. And then there's things called ease in out, and ease out. You can use all of these. I personally like ease in for these. I'm going to make this like 1 second. And then it goes like faster at the end. That's about it though, so thanks for watching, and if you want me to go more in depth in this, I can. And also if you have anything else that you want me to do, please comment it. It would be pretty nice, and then I can help you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.